Okay, in this video we are deploying our smart contract into blockchain and get the values from the blockchain and display it into the front end or in a website. I am going to design a website, and in that website I am retrieving the values from the blockchain, our own smart contract deployed on the smart blockchain, and I am retrieving some values from the blockchain and displayed over the our own website. So in order to start with, we first go our own directory. It is my directory f colon blockchain guru, and just truffle, just type truffle unbox. I am unboxing some predefined boxes there with a truffle. You can check with a truffle website, truffle unbox Photoshop. It is a very simple one. So truffle, so spelling is truffle, truffle, truffle unbox pet shop. Okay, it will take some time. It is preparing to unbox. It will take some time. I already done this. So after completing this, you will get a F blockchain guru. You will get this format, and I am going to open it in a our own code editor. I am using Visual Studio Code Editor. This is my code editor. Open. Yeah, it's opened. So here it is the structure. Here it is the structure. There is build a contract. Contract folder is there. We already discussed in the previous video. Contract folder contains all the contracts. Here there is no contract is there, and the migration folder contains our own migration file. In our contract, I am writing our own contract. I am writing my own contract in the contract folder called hello.solidity. Hello.solidity. In this one, we don't need. I am just displaying only one variable is there. Only one variable. String. I am name string public. It should be public. Public and a name, and name equal to some variable. Name equal to welcome to blockchain guru.live. Blockchain guru dot live website. Blockchain guru.live. This is simpler text. Okay, my smart contract is ready, and I need to deploy. In order to migrate this one, I need to write a migrations file in the migrations folder. That all thing we discussed in the previous video to underscore some name, hello migrate. It should be a JS extension JavaScript file. I need to deploy hello.solidity file. I need to deploy hello, and I am taking this into a hello variable. This is my hello variable, and I need to deploy this hello on the blockchain network. So everything is okay, everything I have done. So this is the code that we already discussed, and now I can compile it over here. Truffle compile. Check whether if there is any error. Okay, it is compiling the contract. Migration data. Okay, there is no error. If there is any error, it will be displayed over here. There is no error. I am not migrated yet. So sorry, this is my I am starting my Ganache, my local blockchain. Before migrating, first ensure that your Ganache is running. Okay, my Ganache is opening. not opened. Okay, it is coming. Here. Okay, let it be there. And there is yeah, it is coming. Ganesh quick start. If it is quick start, or select the workspace. Yes, it is not migrated. You can see nothing, and this is my first account. There is full ether is there, 100 ether. I am using this account to migrate the smart contract. So not to migrate, I use this one, truffle migrate, truffle migrate, and check over here. You can see the block size is increasing, and transactions, there may be some transactions also not deployed. Yeah, it is deploying. Yeah, it is deployed. Yeah, the current block is 4, and some transactions also happened. Our contract has been created. This is my contract. This has been created from using this account. Yeah, our backend is now working. Our smart contract has been deployed over the blockchain. The backend portion is completed. Now moving to the front end. I am going to design a simple website. So there is an SRC folder. In PetShop, they are given some predefined format. Index.html. This is my website. This is the PetShop website, but I don't need this one. Don't need this one. This is I don't need this one. Yeah, and nothing. This one is also I don't need. Yeah, this is the body portion. I am importing some jQuery bootstrap. Bootstrap is nothing but it is for some good appearance and a responsive website, and a Web3 truffle contract, etc. Yeah, and here I need to display our variable from the blockchain. So I am defining a new block, and it is a new div. Okay, div. Not loading. It is my p. It is loading. id equal to okay, here it is. id equal to loading, and one more page dot hash connect hash. Yeah, right. id equal to this is the content portion. Here we want to display. Here we want to display something. P equal to p tag p. I need to display something, and id equal to I want to display here. I want to display the name. Our smart contract is there. There is one variable called the name. I want to read the values of this name from the blockchain. It has been already deployed in the blockchain. I want to retrieve the value of name and display it over here in this div portion. Okay, right. This is my front end portion. Okay, then this is my index.html, and I need some app.js. Provider. I don't need this one. Just deleting all this. This is only a template. Okay, I don't need this one. Don't need this one. Bunch events I don't need. Mark this is also I don't need. Okay, this is also I don't need. Okay, this is a simple template given by PetShop. Okay, I need to Web3. While loading the website, it is calling the app.js. In app.js, there is app.init, it will call app dot where is it, you yeah, web dot init function, it will call this init function. That is, it may not be async. Init function, it is calling init web3 from init web3 it is calling init contract. I am calling some other function, display function. I am not declared the function yet. I am going to declare it. Display function name is display function. Okay, then no need to return anything. This is our function and there is no comma over here. This is my display function. Okay, this is while loading the website, it is calling app.init function. Init function is nothing but it will call init web3 function. Init web3 is nothing but we need to connect from the website. I need to connect to the blockchain. I am going to call how to connect our blockchain to the website. So if I am writing if type of web3 is nothing but I need to connect. Web3 is an interface or a JavaScript file, JS library, which is used to connect to the blockchain from the website. Our website is one side and the blockchain is other side. Web3 is used to connect these two. From the website, I need to connect the blockchain, so I need Web3. I need type of Web3 not equal to undefined. Equal to Web3. If Web3 is there, equal to Web3. I am declaring app Web3 provider equal to Web3 dot current provider current provider is nothing but our MetaMask, and Web3 equal to Web3 is just initialize Web3 equal to new Web3 of current app dot Web3 provider or Web3 dot current provider is no, so it is small. Okay, Web3 dot web provider, Web3 dot current provider. Else, if there is no else, okay, app dot Web3 provider is equal to Web3 provider is equal to Web3 dot new Web3 dot http dot providers dot http dot okay new Web3 dot providers dot http providers dot http provider of our Ganesh provider. Ganesh provider is this one. Just to copy from here and paste over here. Okay, HTTP 127. Okay, this is my localhost is running, and Web3 initialize our Web3 equal to new Web3 of app dot Web3 provider, this one. So our Web3 provider has been initialized. Our Web3 from our site, where is our blockchain is, how we are connecting. Either we are connecting using MetaMask if MetaMask is available, if Web3 not equal to undefined. we can get the provider from the MetaMask. Otherwise, we are directly going to our Ganache. This is the Ganache is loading at this address. Okay, so and init function init web3 is over. So our we are connected to the blockchain. Next is initialize our smart contract. In the blockchain, many contracts are there. We need to initialize our smart contract. We need to interact with our own smart contract. So next function is init contract. After connecting to the blockchain, it will call to init contract. So next is how we are going to initialize our smart contract. In not to initialize our smart contract, just follow this one. Dollar dot there is a function called the get JSON get JSON of. After compiling, look here, after compiling our smart contract is hello.solidity. After compiling, successful compilation, we will get this file, hello.json file. It will have all the ABI files and everything associated with our smart contract. So in order to get an instance of our smart contract, get a JSON of hello.json hello.json file. It is a JSON file in the build directory. Get a JSON of this one hello.json, and there is a callback function and you get the instance of hello, get the instance of hello, and there is an open bracket, sorry, not here, the callback function. Okay, so we are getting instance of our smart contract. I am creating a smart contract in this variable, in this contracts variable. So the contract is declared inside a app object. So app dot contracts dot, I am declaring a variable hello is equal to truffle contract of this one. Hello is the instance. So hello, put a semicolon and set the provider also. App.contract.hello.set provider is equal to dot set provider of our provider is app.current app.web3 provider is our provider. And so our smart contract is initialized, and next we are going to display the values from our smart contract. So calling the function display. Inside the display, first we are getting an instance. Before that there is a loading and content variable. Content two division is there. First is loading and another one is content. First I am dollar of hash loading dot show function. It is a jQuery loading, and next is content dollar of hash content dot height. Initially not displaying anything, that loading will be displayed. Just display this one loading. Here it is loading. Initially it is displaying loading and there is no content. Now we are get our smart contract is this one, app.contracts.hello. This is our smart contract from the blockchain. Dot hello dot deployed dot, then if it is deployed, then I am get an instance of hello. Then is an arrow function. Okay, if it is deployed, the deployed instance will I will get in the hello function. Hello is the smart contract. Then I return hello dot. In the hello smart contract I am having hello smart contract. Where is hello? This is my hello smart contract having one variable called name. So return hello dot name is returned. It is the getter function given by the Solidity. So dot then okay dot then it is a promise chain. I am reading the value of this one in a string called name. Any variable you can use name. Okay, there is an arrow function. If it is return name, I got the name from the smart contract. I am storing in the this name variable, and I am just displaying this name into the here this ID equal to display this portion. So dollar of ID equal to display portion, display, that is my ID. Am I right? Display, yeah. And just to copy the variable display dot html of name, yeah, display, and just content dot just loading. Now loading should be hide and content should be show. Yeah, that's all. That is completed. Okay, our update everything is completed. Our truffle contract, our smart contract is already running on the here. Now you just run this code. On this code, you can use this command npm run dev. Yeah, it is opening a light server. I don't like this one. And I am pasting over. This is where light server is. Yeah, pet shop. That is I don't need. Yeah. Defer class access to only one division. Yes. Yeah, it is a container and a one row having. It is just a bootstrap. And declaring to control C. Access to call yes some. It is 6 and here it is also called sm6. I need 6 columns. Yeah. Yes, and again just refresh it. You can see this is the heading and only loading is there. Loading is displayed, no content is displayed. Okay, this is because we are not connected to the blockchain through MetaMask. Here we have MetaMask. Just click over here. It is very slow. MetaMask is nothing but a wallet which stores some address and some ether. I need to connect it to the blockchain through MetaMask, front end to the blockchain through MetaMask. It is not coming. Blockchain Guru, blockchain. This is my email ID. If you have any doubt, you can just drop a mail, blockchain guru kerala at gmail.com. Simply. Yes. Waiting for MetaMask to open. Yeah, it is coming. First you need to connect to the blockchain. You need to connect to the blockchain. I am using this account to connect it to the blockchain. So this is the address. I need to import this address. First connect it to custom RPC. There is different network is there. Main network you can connect to the main network, Ropsten network, Coven, Ringibi, etc. Many networks are there, but we are using our local blockchain. So you need to custom BTC. Just name the some name to identify your network. Be some name and just copy where your blockchain is running. Here is the address where your blockchain is running and give over here and click save. I already done this. That is this network BG test. Okay, BG test network. I am going to connect to the BG test network. There is no address I am important. Just import any of the address. I am going to interact with this one. Okay, this is so I am importing this address to the wallet. In order to import this address, just go to the Ganesh and 10 address are there. Any address, you need to take any address and click to show the private key. This is the private key I need to import. Click the private key and just copy it and here it is. You can import an account using private key or JSON file. I am using private key. Just paste the private key and click import. Okay, click import. I imported this one and the address is this one. You can see the address details over here. Account details. Account is this one and just rename it is blockchain guru. Okay, this is my address. Now it is having 100 ether. Okay, right. Okay, it is connected. Okay, just refresh my page. Sorry, it is not showing notebook. So in order to get the error, just inspect. Go to the browser console by clicking right click here and inspect. Okay. I'm waiting for to console get open. It is okay. It is opened. Just go to the console. Here one RPC error. So it may be because of MetaMask. Click MetaMask. Oh, sorry. It is connected to different network. So connected to my blockchain is connected to BG test. So connected to the BG test. Oh, so it is not connected. Oh, my Ganesh has been crashed. Just restart again. Restart the Ganesh. I'm going to restart the Ganesh. Ganesh is opening. Okay, Ganesh is opened, but in this my blockchain there is no smart contract yet. So I am going to migrate my smart contract again by using the command truffle migrate. Truffle migrate. It will again compile my smart contracts and it will migrate it to the blockchain. Yeah, it has been done. So blockchain, in the blockchain smart contract has been added. Everything okay. Again going to my website and MetaMask. Check whether MetaMask connected to the blockchain. It is not connected. Just change the network and again this BG test. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, just yeah, here it is. My message has been displayed. It is okay. Welcome to the, that was the test in my smart contract. My smart contract hello dot and my smart contract test was welcome to blockchain.live, and that has been deployed on the blockchain. Here is a blockchain. The smart contract has been published on this blockchain. From this blockchain I retrieved that text to my website. Okay, and here I am sharing my code on the GitHub page. You can use it. Okay, this is my GitHub page. You can, this is my repository simple hello. So I am adding my code to GitHub. Okay, first command is git init. Git init git add morning or everything, and committing simple hello, simple hello program, simple hello. Yeah, created and remote touch. Yeah, and git push. Yeah, that's it. So I added the code on the GitHub, so you can refer it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.